Mediterranean cruising in the summer. The weather's amazing.
It's like sticking your head out of a car window, or your whole body really. Well, good morning on board the Azamara Onward. We are in Crete, a very windy Crete. We're meant to go to the beach today. I don't know if it's going to be that pleasant if we even try to go to the beach. It's going to be warm enough, but is it going to be too windy? Let's find out. We're not going to have pre-breakfast today because we had cookies and milk before bed last night, but we are going to go get some coffee. Come with us. And it is so windy that one side of the promenade deck is completely closed off.
And there's clouds, hello.
Oh,
Maybe
clouds, as well as the wind.
Maybe that's just because there's mountains.
If you're new around here, by the way, I'm Tony. This is the back of Beth's head. You will see the front of Beth's head at some point once she's had a chance to wake up.
And a coffee.
We used to work on cruise ships and now we enjoy them as passengers. We're going to enjoy our day in Crete and we're going to enjoy our day on board no matter what.
Crete is home of the Minotaur. Well, I don't think he lives here anymore, but Greek mythology, you know, Theseus and the Minotaur.
There you go. And we think we're going to try the main dining room breakfast for the first time. We've tried room service breakfast, which was excellent. We've tried the buffet breakfast, which was...
But before we go to breakfast, I just need you to pan down the video, Tony, and show the humans at home what you're wearing, because you are not going out just like that today.
I just went to get coffee. I'm not going to the beach, I don't think, so I'm not going dressed like that.
Even if you are, you're not going out dressed like that.
I'm just calling the Fergusons to wake them up. In case you're wondering, we have our kids with us. If you missed our last video and they're in a different cabin, and when they don't answer, which is most of the time, it goes to an answering machine message that says the Fergusons are not in.
And we are not the Fergusons.
We are not the Fergusons, so we are referring to them as the Fergusons, in case you're wondering. Breakfast in the main dining room finishes at 9. It is now 8:40, so we need to get a move on. I just need to check if we are allowed to wear shorts in the main dining room, because we are not for dinner. So maybe that's different for breakfast. And I'm going to grab one of these, which they have every port we go to. So yes, that's fine. They said it's just for dinner that you need to wear long pants or trousers.
It's a slightly different menu to the room service breakfast and the stuff upstairs. So I'm really glad we've done this.
Yeah, can I have the egg white omelette with portobello mushrooms and goat's cheese? Can I have 2 hash browns with that? Absolutely delicious. And the poached eggs, I think, do. Let's see if Gary Bembridge would approve. Yes, look at that. That was really good.
That was delicious. And I know it sounds really silly, but really hot plates. Lovely fresh hash browns and just gorgeous breakfast food.
But now we are going to finish getting ready so we can be windswept out.
Windswept in Crete. I've been to Crete lots of times.
Beth's been to Crete loads of times. No, this is the Heraklion is the normal port.
Well, there's several ports you can go to, but yeah, I was used to dock in Heraklion, but this is Agios Nikolaos.
Because the Azamara Onward is a smaller ship, we get to dock in the more unique ports. So let's see what this is like. And just an update, both sides of the promenade deck are now closed, not just the one. This is the map for today.
What does it say on the other side? What are the things we can do?
We can have dakos, which is a rusk with tomato, olive oil, and cheese, very typical.
That sounds just like the stuff you get in Spain.
Here you go, the highlights. You can see the iconic lake at the heart of the town.
I'm
Great for
looking forward to
photos.
that.
Lakeside cafes, that's nice. Archaeological museum, no, we kind of did something like that yesterday. There's some beaches, but don't think the wind is going to let us have a good time at the beach today. But we're here, so let's go to the lake that's quite nearby. We'll see what that's like and take it from there. Well, Beth's ready to go, but the Fergusons are not.
Ferguson Team 2 came out of the cabin. I went, oh, you look nice. And then he promptly went back and changed because apparently that was me taking the piss. Move it, can we?
Whoa,
Buffeted.
whoa.
Buffeted.
This is crazy. Whoa.
Come to the Mediterranean, they said, in the summer. The weather will be beautiful.
This is like sticking your head out of a car window going about 40 miles an hour. Crazy. This is insane. That's the famous dish they talked about in the map. I haven't brought the map with me because it's just going to blow away. What is nice here in this port is that we're so close to the town. We are trying to outrun the walking tour. It's chasing us. It's a lovely place though. And the sunbeds are much more reasonable than we had in Syros the other day. 60 euros we paid for 4 sunbeds and 2 umbrellas in Syros. If you missed that video, we'll link it down below.
So if you're here in Agios Nikolaos, if you walk up into the town past the church, you come down to this side, there's a little sheltered beach and a nice marina, more cafes. So you've got quite a lot of choice here. It's good. Let's get some drinks. Yeah, perfect, thank you.
It's only
beats an ice cold glass.
No.
Oh, lovely.
Even though it's only 11:15 in the morning.
These are alcohol free.
Where's my giant boot of beer?
Sorry, we left that behind in Rhodes.
So this is nice. So there's our ship. And directly there is the lake. Beautiful. I'm not sure how much of a lake it is because this water comes directly from the other side. So it might not be fresh water. I'll check it out and I'll let you know.
Lake Vulismeni was originally a freshwater lake, and then in the mid to late 19th century they built a small channel to link it to the sea and the main port. It's known for being incredibly deep. They actually say it's bottomless, which is the local myth. It's about 210 feet deep.
This is very steep. I think the views will be worth it. Oh, and there's even a little purpose-built lookout point. Wow. Beth is right. This seems to be one of the better ports we've stopped at in the Greek islands for food.
I was just saying to Tony that if you're going to have a meal off the ship, this is a really good place to do it. Crete's really known for its food, and the prices are really good, and the fish looks fresh. So if you are looking for a port where you can get off and have something to eat, this might be a really good bet if you're here.
We, however, are probably eating at the patio again because it is easily the best quick-ish service. There's still waiters and things.
Just look at the water here.
Food we've had
so clear
on any cruise ship. The water here is very clear, you're right. Let's go catch up with the Fergusons up there. It's worse here by the ship.
We get across. Oh,
Bloody hell.
Now, maybe they have.
This is insane!
Not as bad in the town, but out here.
Whoa! This is like, this feels
Hopefully
like...
it will die down before we set sail later.
Yeah, and it doesn't...
This is absolute madness.
Doesn't bode well for Santorini tomorrow. We have to tender in. I don't think we're gonna do it. But we've had time to calm down and cool down in our cabin. I don't think in my human life, nearly 51 years, I've ever been in wind like that, standing on my feet.
It doesn't bode well for sailing later.
No, it doesn't. We were going to go back into town.
We might later
On because we are docked until 8 o'clock tonight. These port dates with Azamara are amazing. They are 10, 12 hours long. They're fantastic. But if it's windy like that, we might give it
In fairness, it's not that bad once you get the other side of the town, but where the ship is, oh my goodness, it is windy Miller.
It's like standing up in the back of a pickup truck on the highway. Anyway, not that I've ever done that. We are going to go up to the patio, which has some of the best food we've had at sea, and have some lunch. Come join us. Oh, that's a good idea, Elizabeth. I might get some salad too. It always looks so nice. Salad report? Can I have the tuna and spinach wrap?
Tuna wrap, okay.
Yeah, with onion rings?
Onion rings, yes.
And can I also have buffalo collie wings?
Make it 2.
This is a group of panini.
Nice. And we're gonna go to the hot tub.
Okay, so despite the wind, we had a really nice little sunbathe, but it's nearly 4 o'clock, which means it's quiz time.
Yep, every day of this cruise we've been doing the
We
quiz.
didn't do it the first day, but since then we've made the quiz every day.
Yep, 2 quizzes, and we've
on
won
a streak.
3
We've won
times.
3 of them.
3 of the last
Really
4.
good. So let's see how we do today. Should do well. It's Disney music.
And we'll see what snacks they have, because there's
go.
always snacks. And in a change to our regularly scheduled cruise schedule that we've fallen into on the Azamara Onward, we are not doing the quiz, at least not the first one.
Here we are.
The Fergusons. No, we're not doing it with the
Fergusons might
kids.
come.
The kids are staying behind. I don't know when we became such
Don't sit in our seats.
the kind of people. Oh, there's something going on in here.
No.
Oh, don't take our seats.
Amazing.
Yeah, this is our seat.
This is our winner's table. Carrot cakes.
And in terms of snacks, yes, they do have more of my carrot cake. Let's go. It's worth pointing out that I hold 0 hope for this first one, which is Greek mythology, but the second one, which is Disney music quiz,
We should, if we don't get 20 out of 20 on that, we should have to renounce
something
our
wrong with us.
DVC.
Yeah.
Question number 1. The Parthenon was built as a temple for whom? The temple for whom? And we will start the Disney classics music trivia.
Don't think
Should be
so.
fun. The Lion King.
Right. That is absolutely
Correct.
confirmed.
All right, tally
So
up
whether
your
or not other people have,
points.
we've at least won again. Well, the champions are going to take a victory lap outside in port because it's not as windy as it used to be.
No,
So we're
nowhere's
gonna go
far,
out.
is it? Everywhere's near.
And also, it's because there is a beach apparently that we haven't seen around this
We're
corner.
going to go and find that.
So we're going to go and find that.
But apparently our door is being knocked down by buffalo at the moment.
It's not Buffalo. It's the
boys.
Fergusons. All right, let's see how this wind is. Oh, it's much better. I mean, it's breezy. It's completely livable now. So as a wayfinding point, the ship is there.
It's a walkway.
This morning we walked all through the old town there.
Or do you have to go up the town bit?
And now we're walking down around this side, towards the aft of the ship.
Can you walk round
Around
this
this
way?
corner, just past this Minotaur. Well, there's our ship. We're saying goodbye to it for the time being. So this is
We
kind of
carry
the
on
last
walking,
restaurant.
then we
But
can.
let's keep going down this trail here. Just up there. And I think, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
we end up at the
Fishing
marina
all
we
the
were
good
at
food
earlier.
It's good here though, doesn't it? It's
Yep.
more authentic here than tomorrow.
Even after
I've been
Christmas.
craving
I don't know
crisps.
which one I'm meant to have on these boats. Strawberry.
It's the one thing they don't have on cruise ships. At least not on
I don't know
ours.
which one I
I know I've said it before, but like the length of time we get to spend in these places on this ship, it's awesome. What a nice place to sit and have a drink.
We're just saying that we're really glad we came out again. So if you do come here and you want quite an authentic Greek beach experience, when you see the statue of, like, I think it's a bull or something.
Minotaur.
Is it Minotaur? Probably is, because
Probably
we're
is.
Greek. If you head round that way and walk round, you'll come to a little beach. And there's lots of little tavernas around it, and it's really reasonably priced. Because the town's lovely, but this feels like it was all Greek people on the beach having a drink at the end of the day and everything. Just a very nice area if you like that kind of authentic Greek island vibe.
Yeah, I have to say, Crete, it's my first time. It's definitely exceeded my expectations. Sorry, we're doing our port report on the move today.
Oh yeah, port report, Beth and Tony's port report.
Crete. But anyway, we are going to go back on the ship. We're going to have dinner in the main dining room. It's silent disco tonight.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. And one of the singers is doing an Adele set as well in the den, so we might catch a bit of that if it doesn't clash with dinner.
But we're going to get dressed for dinner and you're going to join us in the main dining room. See you then. And there's our ship. She is beautiful. As is Elizabeth. So over in the den tonight, well, every night there is one of the singers doing their own set, one of the production performers from the production shows, and tonight it's Adele. Actually, she's called April.
Stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
What am I
I
having?
think you're going to have that one.
Raspberry and chocolate ganache tart with red coulis. This is the second time this cruise where I've not been at the table when the dessert menus come, and you've chosen for me. I'm not a child.
I know you like.
You've been right both times. Right, so we're back in the cabin and looking at what's on tonight. So we look in our insider and what is left. We've missed the complimentary jewelry cleaning, which would have been good. And the jazz band's playing up in about 10 minutes. Silent disco's not till 10, so we're not going to go see the jazz band because we don't actually want to sit and watch the whole thing. We don't want to leave in the middle of it either. It's not the kind of thing you can dip in
And I'm
and
sure
out
they're
of.
very good, but it's just not our vibe and not what we're into tonight.
So an hour until the silent disco, Elizabeth. What shall we do? I mean, I could clean your jewelry,
But you don't have anything to clean it with.
no, that's at home. It's not that Azamara Cruises doesn't have enough entertainment on. It's just not the point of Azamara Cruises. The point of Azamara Cruises is that you're actually doing travel and you're going places and seeing places that you wouldn't normally get to on a cruise ship at the same time as having all the cruise ship experience. So they don't need more shows. They don't need more entertainment.
No. It's fine. And I know they're rehashing it, aren't they, and sort of bringing it a little bit more up to date offerings, which I think is going to be really, really good, and it'll be a nice change. But we've not been bored in the
No,
evening,
no, we're just trying to figure out how to fill the next hour.
and people are kind of talking about what they've done in the day. It's all good vibes.
Here we go.
No,
All right, we're in the living room, and one of the benefits of being here so early is that we can get all these window seats. And soon this dance floor will be full of people wearing
silently
headsets.
discoing.
Well, they're not actually silent, but you just can't hear the music. Let's see how bad it is out here. But it's pretty. Whoa, no, okay. There we are. Okay, yeah. Let's go back into the silent disco. Okay.
Can I have your attention, please? Dance. That one and action. That one and action.
Well, that was a fitting ending to a very, very good day.
A very good day. Always nice to do a silent disco.
Make a fool of yourself in front of strangers. Anyway, tomorrow we're in Santorini and there is all to play for. We have no idea. It's looking rough out there. It's looking windy. Are we going to be in a position where we can't tender? And tomorrow's White Night, which is famous on Azamara, and we're probably going to do a separate video on that. But are we going to have White Night?
White night.
Oh, I'm
We
tired.
might have white night.
Or we might have a different alternative White Night depending on the weather. They might not be able to hold it if it's that windy. So stay tuned. And if you liked this video, you're gonna love this one. I'm gonna duck so you can see it right there. Check it out. Good night.